Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Bank of America, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Bank of America website. Log into your online banking account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Navigate to the savings section on the main menu. Explore the different savings account options available. Compare features such as interest rates, minimum balances, and fees. Choose an account that aligns with your financial goals. Keep in mind that some accounts may require a minimum initial deposit. Once you've decided on an account, click on Open an Account. Fill out the online application with your personal information. Review the terms and conditions before submitting your application. After your account is open, set up automatic transfers from your checking account. Decide on a monthly amount that you can comfortably save. Consider using the Keep the Change tool to round up your debit purchases. This feature automatically transfers spare change to your savings account. Regularly monitor your account for any fees and interest earnings. Take note of any promotional offers that can increase your savings. Use Bank of America's budgeting tools to track and plan your expenses. Consider opening a certificate of deposit for higher interest rates on longer commitments. Stay informed about financial literacy tips offered by Bank of America. Review your savings goals periodically to stay motivated. Adjust your savings strategy as needed to meet changing financial circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.